So basically today I am just going out with my two best friends. So I'll shoot the day. Let's see what we do. And I've colored my hair. So yeah, welcome new hair. So I'll see you guys later on. Bye. I'm leaving my house right now. Bye. So basically, Mana suggested let's wear different earrings. So she's wearing one of these and wait, Shamana, show.
No.
And she wants me to wear this, but I don't know. Really not sure.
Without my face.
Okay, see. One, turn. One. Should I do that? I don't know. You find some stupid girls wearing two different earrings. स्टेशन पे इतना कंफ्यूजन है दादर स्टेशन कितने बार गिन गए अपन आई नो यार बस हो गया इधर ही रुकते हैं कंफ्यूजिंग दादर इज कंफ्यूजिंग लॉन्ग ट्रेन चढ़ के वी वेंट टू प्रभा देवी से अभी कौन सा ट्रेन पकड़ा है बोरीवली पकड़ा है जो वहाँ पे रुकेगा हाँ इतना दिन एम इंडिकेटर भी डिलीट कर दिया सो इतना बड़ा घूम रहे इधर उधर एंड नाउ शी इज डाउनलोडिंग एम इंडिकेटर आफ्टर लाइक इतना घूम जाने के बाद सो दिस इज द फन ऑफ मुंबई लुक हू इज टॉकिंग बट या एनीवेज नहीं है मैं पहली बार नहीं करती आई हैव ऑलवेज ट्रैवल गाइस बाय ट्रेन मैं मतलब गाड़ी से भी करती हूँ बट आई डू ट्रैवल्स इतने में से इतना परसेंट मैं ट्रैवल कर चुकी हूँ ट्रेन से सो या करती हूँ ना भाई देखते हैं पैंडा ठीक से पहुँच पाते हैं कि नहीं मी टू तो बेसिकली वी आर इन पैंड्रा नाउ और कहाँ जा रहे हैं अपन अभी एल्पर मार्केट एल्पो मार्केट so we are going to Alpo market now so let's see literally stopped out of nowhere and he's drinking ganne ka juice. Wait, I'll show you guys. Yes, this is Mumbai, guys. Oh shit. बार्गेनिंग करने की कोशिश की इसके लिए और मेरे को कुछ नहीं आया वहाँ
कितना होगा 3 ना ट्रेन वाला भी
तो बेसिकली यहाँ पे ब्लॉग देख के तो लिया है पर कुछ सस्ता नहीं है गाइस मैं बता रही तुम लोग को बेसिकली हम लोग ने थोड़ा सा लिया एंड जो लोग सब बोलते हैं ना बहुत सस्ता मिलता है शिट प्लीज डोंट बिलीव इट यू हैव टू लिटरली बार्गेन अरे इट इज सस्ता बट यू हैव टू बार्गेन ना इफ यू नो बार्गेनिंग देन आई डोंट ओके एंड दैट वी आर गोइंग नाउ टू द कैंडीज कैफे over here it's like what
near
Pali Hill and it's just like it is how many minutes far 5 minutes far so we are going there we'll eat because my head is aching we'll eat and then we'll come back ordered pizza and spaghetti and we have to collect. You have to stand there, decide, then pay. Then you have to wait for your order, collect, and then you can sit. It's like a whole lot of a deal, and it is not that nice, guys. Don't even like it's nice, but it's not that great. Yeah, like the service things, I didn't like it, to be honest. So it's up to you. You guys can think. You guys can do whatever you want. But yeah, my opinion is take it or leave it. It's up to you. है ना? Say hi.
Hi.
This is good. Okay, guys.
No, all of this is
Not
nice.
kidding. The ambience is good, but
It is amazing. It is beautiful. I
Yeah.
really want to come on your vlog, but then
yeah, even I want to come here again. But you never know, about how the service of food. I guess I didn't like it.
I was
Like,
not
there
expecting
should be like a proper waiter or something, order and take.
Yeah, it's so up that
Yeah, it's very up. I had to climb in. We're tired. But everything is so beautiful. It's just that if you want to have a date, come with your date and just have the time of your life.
it's very peaceful.
It's going to be pretty cool. So yeah, जितना मैं ambience दिखा सकती हूँ उतना दिखाया. I don't trust me on more content. Okay, like I'm very bad at shooting.
I'm nervous.
Come on. How is it?
I like the taste.
Mm-hmm.
I think I haven't tasted before.
Okay, it's alag. Okay, wait. Oh yeah, it's alag. Okay, taste this. Okay.
I like this cheese on it.
Yeah. Presentation is quite good. Yeah. Presentation full marks. Okay.
Don't taste the fish.
Okay, don't worry. Yeah.
Have it, Mana.
Have it. It's okay. How is it?
It's actually very good.
It is. It is worth the price.
I know. What the place?
Okay, worth the place. Yeah. Pretty cool.
You know the good part is
So basically, we're waiting for the pizza to come.
Approx 15. Holy crap. I should walk ahead though. Oops.
Tell you all, picture लेने में struggle is real. That is really real. Look at her setting on the camera. Okay, ready. भाग क्या? Okay, shit. The picture is weird, but it's just us. Oh shit. See, because of Mana. Mana काम कर, तू काम कर, इधर set कर दे. इधर बैग रख. Come, get your bag. तो बीच में Come Kelly, we had food. It was nice. The pizza was really nice. Okay, I like it because it had mushrooms, because I love mushrooms, and the spaghetti was also nice. Like as Mana said, मैंने pizza का I didn't put the food thing, so it was nice. तो अभी मैं बता रही हूँ, it was nice. We had 9-inch वाला, $400. Okay. Oh my God, I want flowers. Me too. Yeah, I love flowers. So we had that, and then now we are going to bandstand because they want to go there. So there, and then we'll go again back to the market because we have to get some stuff and each bandstand. Hey, I'm back. So basically we are at bandstand, and that that is Gazna, that is Mana. They're clicking each other's photo. पता नहीं वो लोग क्या कर रहे हैं. And I hope you guys can hear me and we are here. And yeah, right now I'm just gonna sit, talk to each other, just have the time of our lives now. Go back to them. Still walking on like the bandstand because I guess we're gonna sit here and now we are leaving to basically get our some stuff again.
Taking over her vlog.
Bakra later.
Sorry. Okay, so we are going to Elko Market and we are at bandstand.
And we are
Let's
getting
go.
Elko Market ना?
Yeah.
की कौन सा रोड है भाई?
Elko Market.
To the Gazna. 6 time she's tying my shoes. वो पार्ट वाला अंदर उधर किधर तो अटका दे वो ताकि वो निकले ना जो नीचे है ना. This always comes out. And it's 6:09 and we are still here shopping. भाई हम लोग के साथ कभी शॉपिंग नहीं आना, तुम लोग पागल हो जाओगे, है ना?
and we are 6 and we are still here and we have not done. ये मेरा बैग है, शायद से I'll do haul or something like that later on maybe. I don't know what to do.
Mana is buying shorts जिसपे उसका शक्ल है, पैजामा जिसपे उसका शक्ल है. Mana show शक्ल. See Mana's शक्ल on this. This is Mana, है ना Mana? She's like I'm gonna kick your ass. Finally guys, back to Bandra station. हो गया हम लोग का शॉपिंग. कितना लिया? गजना के तो पैर दुख रहे हैं. एंड अभी पता नहीं यार ट्रेन कितने बजे चालू हो गया, कुछ आइडिया नहीं है. देखते हैं. लेट्स सी. बैंड्रा स्टेशन है. वो आ गया, ट्रेन आ गया. भागो. उससे कितने लोग आ भी गए. तो क्लाइंब अभी रुको. What do you mean? छोड़ना देखा जगह है बता.
कैसा लगा? Gazna? Gaz? How was it?
Amazing.
Mana, how was it?
I loved it. Always wanted to go out with you guys.
And we did.
Bandra, and we did it finally after 4 fucking years.
I'm not cutting it. हाँ? I'm not cutting it. आंटी देख रहे हो ना, गजना ऐसे बोलती है, देखो. So yeah, we had fun. Amazing. अबे पुलिस से जल्दी चलो. So yeah, see you all when I get home. Guys, I am back home and I thought, I bought so many stuff, so why not show it? So the first purchase I bought is this top. I bought this for 100, I guess $100. It is a bit see-through, but my mom is too much into these types of pattern nowadays, so I thought of getting this for her. I bought this, the cross set. I think it's called the cross set, right? It is black in color, and I bought this for me, and I really like wearing such stuff. So I bought this also for 100, and it was a very, very nice deal, to be honest. Let's be real here. And I was like, yeah, I bought it. So this is for 100 again. Then the third thing I bought is this one piece, which is plain, literally plain one piece. And I thought, I was like, you know what? You can literally like wear a denim on it, or like wear it in any other way, like any way possible, and it will really look good. So this plain always goes with it. There is this tube. This is a tube frock. You can see it's a bit. It's pretty cool. The material is pretty cool. I really like it. So This is this top I bought I bought this also for 100. I guess the fourth I lost the count. So this is the fourth thing I bought. This I bought for my sister, and I was like, you know what, she likes such things, and like I bought it for her. Her name is Janvi. I bought this for her, and she really liked it. And I bought more too for her. Wait, I'll show it to you guys. This is for 100. This one, this and that one is for 100, and I think these two were like her style, and she wears it that way. So I'm like, I'm getting that for her. So these two I bought for 100, and this one was not for 100. I bought this one for 200. I bought this one for 200. I bought this also for her, and I really like it. I'm like, you know what, Janvi, you should try such styles and all that. So I bought this for her because I liked it for her. So this is it. And later, this is the bag which I bought for my mom. Basically, you can put it the straps. You have like, where is the other? You have a bag inside it. It is velvet, plus there is this handle which you can just, you know, you can carry it like a small bag. This handle is pretty dope, and I really liked it. I bought this for only 500, and I thought, wow, because you know, I saw so many vlogs like people getting things from there, and I really wanted to try, you know what, just go there and get it. And when my friends were like, you know what, even I want to go there, so I'm like, Gazna Mana, let's go and just get it. So this is when we bought I bought these bags, and I actually wanted a huge bag, but I recently bought one from H&M, so I was like, you know what, I want a small bag in velvet, so I bought this. And my mom loved it so much, so I'm like, Mom, you can use it. Like these, one in silver and one in gold. So I bought this for 100 both. Then I bought glasses. Those pair of glasses, I wore it half of my vlog also. Checks print t-shirt or shirt, whatever. What is this called? A button wala. क्या बोलता है?
Button वाला t-shirt, shirt ना. So
this is the shirt I bought, and you know, I really, you can literally throw on shirt on anything. Like you just randomly wear a shirt, or you can just throw on shirt on like a tank top or like anything like that. So I was like, shirt, and this color, like black and white, like I'm always about black, like literally. So I'm like, you know what, let's get this one. And I got this for 100, and it's so cool, like literally. So this, and then I got the glasses, which I was wearing for like half of my vlog, like literally. These are the glasses. I loved these glasses so much. When I saw these, I was like, you know what, I'm getting these. So the shape and all that, I really like. I got this for 200. So I guess 200 के लिए glasses is pretty good, no? So I bought this, and this bag जिसमें सब सामान रखा था मैंने, and it was pretty, you know, यार मतलब like handy है. Plastic bag use करने से अच्छा, you know guys, just opt for this or take something from your home if you're going there. And also I bought this belt from there. I bought this for, I guess, how much? I don't remember.
Do you ever look at someone and wonder what is going on inside their head?
I bought this belt, I guess 150 or 200. I bought this belt for 200, and I really love this belt because I really wanted one black one, you know.
no bargaining. I'm really not good at bargaining at all.
Guys, do not trust the 100 rupee ka thing. You never know how the product turns out. But it was, I just wanted to go and see, you know, check out ki how it is, and you know, अच्छे मिलते हैं कि नहीं. But it's not always like you know, a work. Basically, there were some things, some people. When I saw some of those tops and all that, they were not that good. Some have stains, some are like lying down, and it's very weird. So if you are okay with like you wanted budget, but if you are okay with it like and you wanted budget friendly and all that, so you can go for it. But other than that, I'll tell you, invest more. Quality matters and all that. Just do it as you feel like. But for now, it was an amazing experience. I was with my friends. I had a hell lot of fun. But Corona के timing पे train में travel is weird. I had still got the Dadar station. Dadar station has always been the Dadar station. So yeah, and I would like to end the vlog here. So thank you for watching. If you watched till here, you are my real buddies, and I love you all. If you watched till here, in the comment section, drop down butterflies or like blue hearts, because
I get to know that you have watched it till end.
And if you like my hair color, let me know you liked it. And I did this recently. I hope you guys like it. And yeah, I am always about new stuff. I try on new stuff, and this is what I am. I'll be traveling a lot also super soon in the future. So I'll be making vlogs like that. I'm trying to improve my editing skills, but bear with me guys. I'm really learning. And if so, I love you guys. Like, share, subscribe. Signing off.